Patuloy ang paglobo ng mga kaso ng COVID-19 sa lalawigan ng Pampanga at Bulacan. Sa nakalipas na 2 araw, pasok ang mga nasabing lugar sa top 5 provinces na may highest new recorded coronavirus cases. Nitong January 9, pumangalawa ang Pampanga na may 97 na kaso. Nang sumunod na araw, panglima naman ang Bulacan na may 75 new cases. Kasabay ng paglobo ng COVID-19 cases sa mga nasabing probinsya, nakaalerto na rin ang pangunahing paliparan sa gitnang Luzon, ang Clark International Airport. Dahil naman ito sa new variant ng COVID-19 na mula sa South Africa na kumalat sa United Kingdom. Ibinaba na ang travel restrictions kung saan hindi na maaaring makapasok ang mga biyahero mula sa 27 countries na may naitalang kaso ng new variant ng COVID-19. Kabilang na riyan ang United Kingdom, Ireland, Japan, Australia, Israel, Netherlands, Hong Kong, Switzerland, France, Spain, Germany, Iceland, Italy, Lebanon, Singapore, Sweden, South Korea, South Africa, Denmark, Canada, Brazil, United States of America, Portugal, India, Finland, Norway at Jordan. Kanselado na rin ang aplikasyon para sa Balik Pinas, Balik Pampanga program para sa mga returning Filipinos at OFWs mula sa mga nabanggit na bansa. Samantala, paglilinaw ng World Health Organization, isa lang ang kanilang matitiyak kaugnay ng 2 variants ng COVID. Pareho ito sa bilis ng pagkalat.
So what we know about this variant and previous variants is that the virus is still behaving in the same way, it's spreading in the same way, and the more we give it a chance to spread and to multiply within humans, the more chances it's going to have to keep changing itself. That's its natural property. So we really need to go and focus now and attack it and make sure that we're doing everything we can do to reduce transmission. And we know the things that work. We know that testing, that identifying those who are infectious, that being able to provide them supportive isolation, tracking and contact tracing, and quarantining all the contacts, making sure that people continue to comply with the physical distancing, with wearing a mask, with avoiding crowded places, avoiding closed settings where there are a lot of people, washing hands, respiratory etiquette, staying home if you're sick. All of these things together definitely make a difference in bringing down transmission.
Nagsimula naman na ang vaccination sa iba't ibang bansa gaya ng Argentina, Belgium, Canada, Chile, Costa Rica, Croatia, United Kingdom, United States, Belarus at iba pa. Habang dito sa Pilipinas, inaasahang sa kalagitnaan pa ng taong 2021 masisimula ng pagbabakuna kontra coronavirus. Rainiel Pawid, CLTV News. Thank you.